getting high with my profile. Copped on these suckers, time to die. Even as a youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust. But now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame? Smoking weed help me take away the pain. So I'm hopeless, rolling down the freeway, swerving. Don't worry, I'm about to crash upon the curb, cause my business blurry. Baby, if they try to understand me, what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family. What else could I do? Or be a thug? I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with the phonies in the club. Got my mind on danger, never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gangbangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? We were so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. When I let it be 23, there's so much pain. Got me mobbing like I'm locked and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip and slip my motherfucking gloves on. I ain't scared to blast on these suckers if they test me. Shots, I got my block cop player if they bless me. Bust some motherfuckers with a cash and better talk, cause I ain't looking with them. Gas, the number nothing, drinking Hennessy and getting high on the lookout for my enemies. Don't wanna die, tell me why, cause the stress is getting major. A buck 50 across the face with my razor. What can I do but be a thug until I'm dead and gone? I keep my brain on the game and stay headstrong. These sorry bastards gonna kill me in my sleep. I'm really cannot see him every day. It's just a struggle, steady thugging on the streets and I've been ballin' low. Don't let them make you worry, keep slinging every sucker till you worry. I was born and raised hell, nigga from the gutter, word the mother on Texas. I'm kicking dust, ready to bust. I'm on the scene, steady marking me. Until they kill me, I'll be living this life. I know you feel it. It's so much pain.
Make them niggas wanna ball. When you step up to their face, what they gon' do? Shit. If you fall up in the club, make them hold on every know. When you step up to them hoes, what they gon' do? Shit. 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 Fuck nigga, what's up? Hell no, you ain't gon' fuck all that shit out your mouth. Go get your bread bump. Fuck nigga, what's up? Hell no, you ain't gon' fuck all that shit out your mouth. Go get your bread bump. You done came in the club with your motherfucking clique. We don't give a fuck. Oh, y'all pussy like bitches. You done came in the club with your motherfucking clique. We don't give a fuck. Oh, y'all pussy like bitches. It's a east side nigga that they give me no diss. And they step their head, nigga, let me talking that shit. It's a west side nigga that they give me no diss. And they step their head, nigga, let me talking that shit. It's a north side nigga that they give me no diss. And they step their head, nigga, let me talking that shit. It's a south side nigga that they give me no diss. And they step their head, nigga, let me talking that shit. If you fall up in the club and them niggas wanna ball, when you step up to their face, what they gon' do? Shit. If you fall up in the club and them hoes on every know, when you step up to them hoes, what they gon' do? Shit. 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 What they gon' do? Shit.
There they go, packing stadiums as shady spits flow. Nuts they go, macadamian they go so ballistic whoa. He can make them look like bozos, he's wondering if he should spit this slow. Fuck no, go for broke, his cup just runneth over, oh no. He ain't had him a bust like this since the last time that he overdosed. They've been waiting patiently for Pinocchio to poke his nose back into the game, and they know rap will never be the same as before. Bashing in the brains of these hoes and establishing a name as he goes. The passion and the flame is ignited, you can't put it out once we light it. This shit is exactly what the fuck that I'm talking about when we riot. You dealing with a few true villains who stand inside of the boot, true spilling and spit true feelings until true feelings come flying about a miles never minded. Payback motherfucker for the way that you got me, how's it taste? When I slap the taste out of your mouth with the bass so loud that it shakes the place. I'm Hannibal Lecter, so just in case you're thinking of saving face, you ain't gonna have no face to say by the time I'm through with this place, so Dre.